Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing my new microphone, and as you can see, I got my new microphone. I am speaking to it right now, and yeah, let me know what it sounds like. I think it sounds really nice for only 50 pounds, and I'll just go into the review. Well, into the unboxing actually. So this is the box, and this is what comes when you open it. You see the pop filter, the little foam thingy, and that's it. And documentation. And then after, when you remove that, then there is more stuff. Boom arm, there's boom arm, desk clamp, and your shock mount. Okay, and then after, and this is all the things: the pop filter, the foam little filter 360 degrees, the shock mount. There is the desk clamp for the boom arm, the microphone itself of course, and the boom arm. That's all what comes in the box, and of course the USB type B to type A cable. So this, you just put it in like this, and you can just move it around left and right. It's really simple and easy. You put the shock mount on top of the stand like this, just screw it in. And this is the whole microphone setup. So I put in the microphone, plug it in, and it's literally just plug and play. Just adjust the sound, like the volumes and stuff, and that's it. That is the whole unboxing. I don't know how good it was, but I think it was fine because I don't do unboxing videos. I don't know how to do them. So yeah, what do I think about this microphone? Okay, so what do I think about this microphone? I think it's really nice sounding. It's definitely an upgrade from this headset microphone. And I'm just really happy. I'm really happy for the price. You get the whole set. I don't need to worry about like a little tiny what it's called, the little tripod stands. This is just perfect. The boom arm, it might not be the top quality, but I think it's gonna be fine. And everything is metal, feels nice. So yeah, I don't know what to say. It has a good, it's really quiet. There's no like hiss sounds. I think it's like maybe a little bit, tiny bit, but really not noticeable. So this is gonna be my new microphone, and from now on I'm just gonna be recording with this microphone, and yeah, I can't wait to start recording with this microphone. So see ya in the next video. Bye.